Guys, we are at the craziest spot I've ever been to magnet fishing. And the reason is, I'm actually gonna show you guys later after we catch a few things here, but check this out, you guys. Man, I have no idea what that is. Maybe like a piece of like a grill or something, or I have no clue. Oh, I got the window of a car.
You do.
Oh.
Brayton's just got the window to a car.
Man, look at that. It's a piece to a window. Isn't that what that is?
Yeah, I'm definitely pretty sure that's a piece to a window.
Yeah, because that's like the part of like the door frame.
I don't know what this is. This is like a strange piece of rebar, square too.
Yeah.
Whoa, what the heck is this stuff? No way. What? Whatever this is, somebody definitely wanted this hidden. Wow, look at all these pills right here. This is definitely a meth box for sure. This is probably ephedrine, all packaged up and everything. Wow, look at that. This is sitting right in here in this box. That's crazy. Wonder what year? Oh, look at this. It's been down for a while. Expires 2007. Wow.
Another find. Just got some pliers.
Them are old.
These are really old. Look, they're all rusted up and everything. Maybe we can still get them to work. Jeez, now I've got like 1,000 things on this magnet. I mean, nothing special, just nails and stuff, but it's good that we're getting trash out of here. What the heck is that?
No way. Oh! Dang.
Man.
That was huge. You're pulling it too fast.
I know.
All right, I got something again.
Oh, it's a piece off the dash.
Oh, it sure is. All right, everybody, so check this out. I'm pretty sure that's probably maybe a piece to the dash of some sorts. If you look right there, there's buttons and square pieces. Definitely pretty sure that's what that is. What'd you find over here, Britton?
Another piece of the car.
Oh, yeah?
Or a car. You know,
Yeah.
I mean, there's thousands out here, so just a little piece off one there. You can actually see where it had white paint on it.
All right, I have something. I don't know what that is. Oh, yeah, look at that. That looks like an old brake cable, more than likely.
Yeah.
Heck yeah. What the heck?
Huge piece of metal. Look at that thing, man.
Wow.
I'm gonna say 95% chance that this is off of a car.
Yes,
Somehow
definitely.
or some way.
Look at all this metal that's just on this Dockbuster. All kinds of pieces of scrap. This looks like old bob wire, and I don't know what that is. Maybe an old railroad tie? I don't know. Let me know down in the comments. All right, Brayton, what'd you find over here?
I got a piece of what I think is a bed frame. I'm not really sure, but definitely does look interesting.
Yeah, that's definitely a piece to a bed frame. All right, heck yeah, Brayton. This is incredible. This is like probably the most craziest thing I've ever seen. There's got to be over 1,000 cars here. All right, here's the inside of one right here, y'all.
So you can see.
As you can see, it looks like it's full of grass and everything. All right, if you look real close right there, there's a wire. And it goes into the ground right there. More than likely, all these cars are actually anchored in so that they don't wash away during floods. Like I said, I can just walk up and down this whole thing for hours, y'all, and these cars are everywhere. All right, Britton said he's found a license plate over here.
There is a license plate, so I'm gonna go down and actually grab it. Oh dude, it is like stuck in there.
Does it have a date on it?
There's no
Can
way.
you see a date?
Let me check. 68.
1968.
1968.
Wow.
That is crazy.
So this car's been here definitely since 1968. If you look close, you can still see the engine block. More than likely, somebody's probably came out here and stripped some of the engine parts out for their own personal needs. But these cars go for miles.
Oh, I know.
How many cars do you think's here, Britton?
There's got to be thousands of cars.
So we just found the first pickup here in the batch. Look at it.
First pickup truck of the batch. That thing is destroyed.
Don't know what kind of car this is. Looks like maybe some type of station wagon maybe. If y'all look right here, there's actually a pickup truck. I see a steering wheel actually just sitting there behind the window. This car is actually almost 100% submerged under the water.
Yeah.
If you can look right here, there's actually 3 cars, and Mother Nature is already starting to take them in as her own. Wow, just look at that black car.
Look.
All these cars are almost 100% submerged. If you look, they have nothing but grass growing on top of them. Look at all the bullet holes inside it.
No.
Wow.
That's ridiculous.
Yeah, this is definitely an incredible sight to see. Here's a car completely submerged underwater.
That is so cool.
So it looks like the erosion control didn't really help right here. Actually, all has fallen into the ground. One car is about to disappear. Yeah, not really much left in this. And this one's completely submerged underwater. Okay everybody, so I ended up crashing the drone. Ended up hitting the power line over there. If you look on the screen, you can kind of see where it's at. What do you think, Britton?
This is pretty awful, man. I mean, you came over and you were like, I crashed the drone, and I was like, no, you did not, man. Seriously. Hopefully we'll be able to find this thing.
And it looks like we're about maybe 30, 40 feet away from it.
Oh, is that it?
Did you find it? Oh, there it is, right there.
Right there in the tree.
There it is, y'all. Sitting in a tree. We actually pulled it out. If you look really close, the camera and everything has actually fallen out of the drone.
Yeah.
Unfortunately.
Oh well, you got some pretty cool shots though.
All right, everybody, it's the end of our episode. What do you want to say today, Britton? What was your experience like today?
My experience, man, I mean, there's just so many cars in the specific river, thousands of cars just lined up along the banks. And to be honest, man, it's a lot of pollution going into the water, but I think it's a really cool sight for us to see. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to press that subscribe button for Jeff's channel. Also press that like button and the bell notification so that you can get updated on every single one of his videos that he uploads. But Jeff, I'd say it was a really good day today, man.
Yeah, it was an awesome day.
Awesome.